If you want to unblock a number or a contact on Samsung Galaxy A37, first of all, we're gonna go to the phone app. Now over here in the phone app, you can, for example, go to contacts. If you have a blocked contact, then you can go to that contact, we can tap on it and then tap on the eye icon on the right side, then tap on more at the bottom of the screen, and then here we have the unblock option or unblock contact. Now, if you blocked a phone number that called you recently, you had a call with that person or they tried to call you, then of course you should be able to find it in recent. So then you can tap on that call and you can tap on this icon over here with 3 dots and 3 lines. And then at the bottom we have the unblock option. And last but not least, you can also tap on the 3 dots that are here on the right side, but they can also be in the upper right corner. And you want to go to settings. After that, choose block numbers, and over here we have the list of blocked contacts or numbers, so you can tap on the minus button right next to the number or contact that you want to unblock. That's pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.